Hello and welcome to Pictorial Planet. My name's John Finch. Today I want to talk about flattening these prints. I prefer fibre-based paper. I think it's a richer tone. I don't know why. I don't know if there's more silver in it or what, but it just seems to present a better photograph to me. But what happens is it curls up when it dries. Look at this. It makes it difficult to mount. It makes it difficult to show people. It just looks awful. And I think this is one of the reasons that many of us don't use fibre-based paper, because of these problems. I used to pile books on top of them to try to flatten them, and it took weeks and they still weren't very flat at the end. I tried ironing them with an iron. It didn't work. But then I saw another YouTuber who was using one of these. Now this is a t-shirt press, a heated t-shirt press. I bought this on eBay for about £90. It's 15 by 12 inches, I believe, so it'll take my 11 by 14 fibre-based prints, and it works a treat. So set at 90 degrees, and thanks to the Pictorial Planet Camera Club guides for helping me out with this, I set it to 90 degrees and 3 minutes, and that seems to work really well. And what we get out of it is something as flat as that. And I'm going to demonstrate this right now. So let's hope this works. Here's the bendy one, here's the flat one. I'm going to show you how I use this. So the bottom of these t-shirt presses pull out like this, and you can lift up. Oh, by the way, I've inserted 2 pieces of mounting board, acid-free mounting board. And I popped them underneath here. When the press came, it came with one of these rubber, a couple actually, of these strange rubber mat kind of things. And I didn't really know what they were or how to use them. But I left the one on the bottom. I put my 2 pieces of mounting board so, and I popped my print, the bendy print, underneath in between those 2 pieces of mounting board. So very carefully, so you don't put any folds in it. Pop it under there like that. And just push it in. There we go. There it is. And then just pop this back. And then we just bring this down. Now the top of these gets quite hot, so be careful of that. And push it down. The pressure's quite a lot. And press this button. That will start a countdown. It maintains its temperature at 90 degrees centigrade. And you can adjust all of these, by the way, with the instructions. And then let's see what happens at the end of this running time. All right, we're nearly there. We've got 7 seconds to run. So when this finishes the timer, it will alarm to let me know it's finished. No problem there. And then I just switch it off with this button again and lift it up. And let's see. And look at this. Flat as a pancake. Marvelous. Now as this cools, it's going to curl very slightly, but that's easy. It's mountable, it's presentable, it's a great system, and this is really reasonably priced for what it does. It'll no doubt outlast me. So thanks very much for watching. If you like these kind of videos for your darkroom, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. I've got a load of these prints now to flatten, so I better get on with it. Bye for now.